Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we've got the Mares cargo pocket. So this is a very handy storage place. You can thread this onto virtually any 2-inch webbing strap. It's specifically designed for the pure BCD, but as I said, you can thread it onto most 2-inch webbing straps. Pocket itself, decent size. You can fit torches and spools and spare masks. You can fit whatever you want inside of this. It's got a decent size to it. The material itself is nylon cordura, so very tough and abrasion resistant. Very simple zipper entry on the top. And then on the inside, it's just a big open pocket, so you can fit whatever you want. As you can see at the bottom, you've got some little drainage grommets, so it's not going to fill up with water. That's just going to drain out of the bottom when you get out of the water. On the back, you've got these 2-inch sort of guides, and then you have the webbing on the back that you can thread your 2-inch sort of waist belt through that, and that will hold it in position. You've got a pre-bent metal D-ring down there at the bottom just to give you somewhere to clip something off onto, and you've got a 1.5 inch sort of slider glide onto that just for either your shoulder strap or another attachment point. So a decent place to store any spare kit that you might need. You can thread it onto virtually any 2-inch webbing band. That's the Mares cargo pocket. Thanks for watching and safe diving.